Can't wait.
Can't wait.
I'm with my lovely Australian friends in downtown Puebla.
I'm Jules. I'm Jess.
This is my favorite building in the entire place.
Ven, o acá. ¿Dónde está? Acá. Acá está la hoja.
And we are going to La Casa del Mendrugo, which is an anthropology museum that has some really interesting artifacts from what I've heard. We can totally experiment, see if your skull is as easy to carve into.
But I put you to sleep.
Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this kind of trip. I tried to do my best for you.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
You want to go back?
I don't know if I want to go back.
Jess, on the other hand, is a huge horror fan. Yeah, she wants to move in.
I want to take one home, put it on the mantle, little tea light candle in the jaw.
Oops. So,
That's all right.
Julia wants to try some tostiaquites. $3 and some cents. I'm vegan, so I'm gonna not.
Observe.
I'm just gonna observe, yeah.
I'm gonna stir it all together to get all the.
Nice.
Yep. It was really good.
Julia is struggling with her ice cream. There you go.
Nailing it.
You're on your own. You're gonna have to finish this up.
You've got this, Jules.
that's so good.
What's inside it?
Oh my god. Chicken, unfortunately. I would prefer queso, but... Oh my god.
That's way nicer than the one we had last night. You should try a bit of the moly.
Yeah, dip in. Go nuts.
Well, actually,
Today's adventure is Cholula.
sure is.
I'm trying to figure out how to get in here. Going the wrong way.
Different way.
This building is known as Edificio Teotihuacano. This pyramid complex is the world's largest pyramid by base. There's nothing quite so satisfying as scaling a bunch of pyramid steps. This church of Our Lady of Remedies was built during the early 1600s on top of the original pyramid complex. It was finished in 1666. I'm allergic to coconut, so he will do the honors of trying this.
Know where to start with this.
So it's like a cold, hot chocolate. Would it mix well with coffee?
Yeah, it'd be like a good mocha.
Yeah, nice. You got the mustache now.
Oh, yeah.
USA guys like in the stadium and it's like, it's called soccer, it's called soccer.
Oh my god.
I want to give a special shout out to Jules and Jess. Thank you so much for being in my episode. Can't wait to see you in Australia.